Enertrag, a company known for its wind energy projects, is now expanding its portfolio with modern photovoltaic solutions. This time, using tracking technology.
Today we are in Germany, a beautiful place, Nechlin. We would like to show you our latest project, Skywalk Agro Tracker. You have to see the height and the shape of this project. The whole area that we have here can be used for farming.
We are really happy to see that the project is finally ready. Today we will do the commissioning together with Corab, so the project will be ready to feed in. We have right now already an existing project here, which the village is run by wind energy and exchange heat. So we will add this solar PV in our portfolio, so it will be run fully on renewables.
Conventional installations have their limitations. Tracking technology makes it possible to overcome them. The difference is visible in every hour of the installation's operation. The system automatically tracks the sun, responds to weather conditions, and optimizes the installation's performance in real time. Thanks to this, we can increase energy production by up to 30%.
We worked with Corab previously on our 2 projects, and we really rely on their engineering and material. So we use here also tracking system of Corab because we thought it's a reliable partner.
The system supports crops by providing shade, reducing soil water evaporation, and helping farmers achieve energy independence. This astonishing project was created especially for this investment.
Smart tracking, real results. Corab, challenge accepted.